Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Messin' with Meats. Today we got a pretty good one for you. We've got some pork steaks we're going to be throwing on the smoker. We're going to let them ride real low for about 6 hours. I'm going to use some hickory wood, so hopefully they turn out pretty good. Do me a favor, if you would, go ahead and like and subscribe below, and hope you enjoy the video. Take it easy. Let's get it. Now, while I poorly attempt to open this package of pork steaks, let me tell you about a little bit what's in our rub today. We used some brown sugar, chili powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, a little cayenne pepper for just a little bit of heat, crushed red pepper, and I had a little bit of Sticky Pig dry rub seasoning that I added in with it, put it in a container, shook it up all nice like, and we'll sprinkle that on here in just a bit. I bought these pork steaks at Save-A-Lot, pretty thick cut, pretty big. I just sprinkle my rub on. I never really push it into the meat at all. I kind of just let it sit on top. Clearly I took these right out of the package, so I didn't brine these. I didn't marinate them in anything wet. I will spray them later on as they're smoking. This is kind of an experiment for me this round. I'm gonna keep the temperature pretty low throughout the process, and then at the very end I'm gonna kick it up. So let's go get these bad boys on the smoker. So I have the temperature of this smoker set currently around 190, and I'm gonna try to keep it at that. Shout out to my neighbor, Cindy. She watched my drumstick video and gave me the bright idea of sliding out the racks when I put my meat on it. You'd think I would have thought of that, but shout out to her. Now, throughout this go round, I actually found a hot spot in this smoker. I don't know if it was because of the way the wind was blowing that certain day, but my back right pork steak, it turned out okay. It was just a little more done than the rest of them. So we'll throw those bad boys on, let them sit. I kept them at about 190, as you can see there. Spray them with a little apple juice as they're going. This was probably 2 hours in. So we'll close that up. Let it sit for another 2 hours. Come back 2 hours later, hit it with a little more apple juice. And then we're gonna crank it up for about an hour to close to 250. After about a total of 5.5 hours, close to 6 hours, these guys are ready. As you can see, I mean, they got really good color. They turned out almost to taste like rib meat, the way they just kind of fell off the bone. So there you have it. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed or liked, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below.